This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view your system specs using command prompt in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To view your system specs using command prompt in Windows 10, it's very easy to do. This also works the exact same way in Windows 11. First thing you want to do is open command prompt. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, to the little search bar. I'm going to place my cursor in there, and I'm going to type in CMD. I'm going to go up to the top up here, and I'm going to click on command prompt. Now after command prompt opens up, next thing you want to do is type in systeminfo, all one word. Then you'll hit enter. And you can scroll down through all this information here. It pretty much gives any information that you need on your system here. That is how to bring up your system specs using command prompt in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.